Practice problems for addition and subtraction. 3/4 plus 1/8. Finding a common denominator is 8 between 4 and 8. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2, adding those 7/8. Common denominator between 7 and 3 is 21. So to take 2 7s and convert it to having a 21 in the denominator, multiplied by 3/3, which is 1. Changing 1/3 to have a common denominator of 21 would be multiplying by a 1 that looks like 7/7. Adding those fractions, I have 13 of the 21 pieces. 6 plus 7 is 13. Third problem, 1/6 plus 1/4. Common denominator, you might want to look at this as being a 24 or a 12. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. If I make it a 24, I'm going to multiply by 4. And in 1/4, I'm going to multiply by 6. So adding those, I get 10 24ths. Well, noticing 10 24ths, that fraction can be reduced. Taking half of each value, I get 5 12ths. If I had taken this and just found the common denominator of 12, 1/6 with a 12 converted by multiplying by 1 would be 2 12ths. 1/4, getting a common denominator of 12 by multiplying each by 3, adding those 5 12ths. Notice I got the same answer. My original one was in reduced form, so it might have saved me a step. 7/8 minus 3/4. Common denominator would be 8, so the top fraction does not need to change. The bottom fraction, multiplying by 2/2, which is 1, converts 3/4 into 6/8. It's equivalent fraction. 7/8, take away 6 of them, I'm left with 1/8 remaining. Problem number 5, common denominator between 9 and 4, 36. 7/9, changing its denominator to 36, multiplying by a 1, which looks like 4/4, 28 36. We're subtracting 1/4, getting its common denominator again of 36, multiplying by a 1 that looks like 9/9. I have 28 of the 36. I'm taking away 9 of the 36. That leaves me with 18 of the 36. Actually, 28 take away 9 is 19 of the 36. And in the last problem, 4/5 minus 1/6, common denominator is going to be a 30. So 4/5 will be multiplied by a 1 that looks like 6/6. 1/6 multiplied by a 1 that looks like 5/5. Subtracting the pieces, 24 minus 5 is 19/30.